taking learning into a new dimension. Students in the MedTech 7 program at Mossy Oaks Elementary School are using zSpace. It's an augmented and virtual reality learning experience, allowing students to explore math and science like never before.
They get to actually touch things, feel things, move things around. So with their stylus pen, they actually have the ability to control and rotate things and things that we wouldn't normally have within our classroom. So they get to see the model of a flu, break down the cell and organize it into pieces. And that's just something you wouldn't be able to do in an elementary school classroom. Targets at the bottom of the ramps are filled with sand for a safe landing. And so it's those experiences that you can explain to them, but now they get to feel them and see them, which is really a cool thing that zSpace offers.
Students in this third grade class are picking up their styluses and entering into a three-dimensional world to use the design process to create safer playground equipment.
We're trying to make the ball from the ramp go on the target and stay on it. It's hard because every time you get on the target, it just rolls off, and if you're trying to move it, it gets stuck in the thing.
The zSpace program is also helpful for teachers as they plan out their curriculum.
It's super standards based, so you can search for an activity and you can use that activity to support your learning. You can use it to introduce the concept. So today we were introducing the design model and the scientific inquiry process, and so they got to practice, and then we'll come back to the classroom and apply those skills later. But they're going to take those experiences with them back to the classroom and be able to be better scientists and share better ideas.
The students are excited about using zSpace and really like how the objects on the screen appear in 3D.
Basically like a shape, you know how it could be 2D or 3D. I think it's better to be 3D if they ask you a question, like how many sides or vertices are on this shape, 3D, and it's better, it helps you to see it.
Several schools in the district will be using the zSpace technology at Mossy Oaks Elementary School, Round Lopes, Beaufort County School District.